These right here are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE. This is the fan edition of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Now, of course, they look very similar to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, but they have less features than the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. This is the fan edition, which means that it has less features, of course. They had to cut out some features in order to meet a price point. So, without any further ado, let's unbox this. Now, I don't think we're gonna need the knife, so we'll just kind of slide this right off. Bam. We'll get rid of that. And bam. And the box comes right off, just like that. Right here, you got your instruction manual, I think. Yes, this is the instruction manual in here. We'll just open that. There's your instruction manual. We'll file that off to the side. Let's see what we got here. I think we got, it looks like it's, yes, it is the ear gels right there. You got some extra big ones and you got some extra small ones. And let's see, I think there is something else in here. Nope, that's it. That's all we got in here. Now, of course, here's another instruction sheet. We'll just take this and put it off to the side, and we'll take these out. Now, I noticed that in my Sony WFC 510 unboxing, no charging cable. Same here, no charging cable. All right, forget that. Now it's time to set up the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. All right, so right here I got my phone right here, and of course I got the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. And just real quickly before I actually do the setup, we're gonna take a look at the design real quick. Right here you see it's got the see-through cover right here, very similar to the regular Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. It doesn't have the blue and orange coloring that is on the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, which is fine. I kind of like it like this. Of course, you have your USB-C charging, your charging port. You have your reset button, and of course, right here on the back, you have your FCC stuff and whatnot. But yeah, this is what the earbuds look like right here, and it also has the pinch gestures, which I will be testing. And of course, yeah. So right there, we're gonna put that back, and yeah. So let's set it up right now. So I want to show you something here with the setup. So we're just gonna come straight into Bluetooth, and we're gonna take these out. By the way, I forgot to do that. You actually have to have them out to pair them up. And right here, Galaxy Buds 3 FE. We're gonna pair them up right now. And now it's already paired. You saw the volume thing there, the volume slider. And now we're all ready to go. So I'm gonna accept these terms and conditions, agree, allow, and don't allow. Allow. We're going to allow it to access contacts, allow for notifications, allow it to make phone calls, allow the app Galaxy Buds 3 FE, allow the app Galaxy Buds 3 FE manager to access Peter's Buds FE, 3 FE, yes. And then of course you have customized sliders right here. So customized listening into different apps, play media app, then touch and hold the volume slider in the quick panel to customize your sound settings for the app, from 360 audio to the equalizers and more. So we're going to press next, and now we're all set. We're all ready to go for the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. Let me check and see if there's a firmware update. Right here, we're going to go to settings. Right there. Oh, right here. Yes, this is what's unique. I could just simply access the Galaxy Buds 3 FE settings right there. And of course you got earbud controls, you got sound quality and effects, voice controls, manage connections, advanced features, find my earbuds, diagnostics, and you got all of that right here. And of course left and right, read notifications out loud, no, not now, probably not ever. Test your earbud fit, let's go. Right there, of course it can detect when these earbuds are in my ear. So I can't turn on the active noise canceling right now, but I will once I put these earbuds into my ears. So that's basically it. Of course you have the earbud controls, which I will fix, and yeah. So that's basically it for the setup of the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. Really looking forward to actually using these and testing these out. And of course, I will be doing a video review. All right, so right now the earbuds are in my ears. Right here you can see I got the, this is the left earbud right here. Right here is the right earbud. And of course, I'm gonna put them right into the charging case like this. So, and once I put these earbuds into my ears, that's when the active noise canceling turned on. And I was kind of impressed with how the app actually works. Like, I'm gonna try to see if I could show you. So I'm gonna take out the earbuds right now, and then I'll just put them right back into my ear, which by the way, these kind of feel kind of similar to the Galaxy Buds 3, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So I'm gonna take them out right here. All right, so now they're out. I'm gonna put them, I'm holding them. Hold on, let me put them down. They're already put down. So I have to put the earbuds into my ear. Now watch how it's just gonna slide on over like that. Boom, boom. That is quite nice. And I really, so far, kind of like these Galaxy Buds 3 FE. So I will be testing them. Of course, I will be listening to music and my podcast and all that using the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. As soon as these were rumored to come out, I was actually kind of excited because I kind of wanted to replace my Galaxy Buds FE. The white ones, I reviewed those. I believe last year or yeah, it was last year. So I reviewed those. That video will be in the video description down below. So check that out. That video is also in the playlist right over here that you see. So anyway, be sure to click on that if you want to watch that video. And yeah, enjoy the videos in my playlist.